In this video, I will show you how to generate all sorts of reports in BuildSpace Pro. BuildSpace has prepared a medium where users can retrieve and print their project report based on module. Click on BuildSpace logo and click Reports module. Choose any sub-modules. Let's say you want to print out tender comparison reports. Click Tendering module and choose any project. Then, click on View Tenderer and click Tenderer Setting to filter tenderers you want to compare. Then, go to the item level and tick Item to compare on the checkbox. For tender comparison report, tenderer who bid the lowest will be shown in green color, while tenderer who bid the highest will be shown in red color. While on the other hand, in post-contract report, say for you to print the claim summary. Click on the print and click Claim Summary. The report can be downloaded in both Excel and PDF file format. Your downloaded report will look something like this.